few months ago, I went out flying my Radian, and I decided I was going to try and do a pretty steep dive and then do a loop. I'd done a couple other loops earlier today, but I guess this time was just a little too steep, and something happened. The aircraft wasn't able to pull out of it, so it ended up smashing straight into the dirt. I'll put the video up here in the corner. But this is what I picked up out of the field. That day I was feeling rather defeated because I just had a pile of pieces. So I put it all in the foam from the Radian and put it up on top of my one shelf in the corner of my garage and just forgot about it for the most part. A few times I decided I was going to work on it and I never did. But I finally decided that since I'm going to be potentially having some extra time here sitting at home waiting things out, that I'd go ahead and actually take a look at this and get things. Try and get them back together, try and glue some of this stuff up and show that even when you have a rather bad smashed up plane, it is possible to get it all back together. As you can see, this had the wing nuts LED controller in it, which worked great. I like this thing a lot, so I really want to get that back going. Let's see, I got a few pins bent. I'll have to straighten out some things, but that should be fine. Still have good, nice expensive servos. And then I also have this FR Sky Vario built-in receiver. So all this stuff seems like it should be fine. The motor seems fine, other than a bunch of dirt stuck in it. And the prop's fine. So I'm going to try and, this is just a little quick intro. I'm going to try and take this thing and glue it all back up and see if we can bring her back to life. And I think also as part of that, I might do that all first and then as a second video maybe, or third, depending on how much effort this takes. I'm probably going to put iNav into this on F411. I got some files from GizFPV and trying to add some things. Got a little camera mount, some other things. So we'll see how that goes. But first, like I said, I'm going to try and get the glue back together. So subscribe, like, subscribe and hit the bell if you notifications when I do put a video out about this.